Atlas has been taking care of customers since 1951. With Atlas Toyota, you know you're getting quality products, experienced technicians, and unparalleled support throughout the process. We can handle anything from the sales and service and rental of floor cleaning and forklift equipment, as well as the designing, planning, and implementation of storage racking solutions. Really, anything that within the warehouse, Atlas can help you out with. When you get a Toyota forklift, that's not really the end of a relationship, that's really the start of a partnership. So it's really behind the scenes, whether it be 24 hours, 7-day-a-week service availability, or a 4 business hour guaranteed response time. We allow you to focus on your business, and you can allow Atlas to handle the material handling equipment. On top of new Toyota equipment, Atlas also provides reconditioned or used equipment. We take a good piece of equipment and then it goes through a 120-point inspection. Anything that gets beyond 30% wear on a reconditioned unit is automatically replaced. It's a great way to get an economical piece of equipment that's still top quality. The standard maintenance programs that are provided by Atlas usually go into 2 sources. There's planned maintenance and then there's guaranteed maintenance. To make sure that you're going to get the most out of your equipment, it's going to last the longest that we can possibly make it, and it's going to be a safe piece of equipment to use at all times. When a customer purchases a Toyota forklift, they know they're going to get something that's dependable, reliable, and it's built to last no matter what operation you decide to put it in.